Welcome to this channel, traders. It's a happy Friday. I want to give you very important information, what I use to get good results whenever I trade. Understand that in this channel I have shared different strategies for different currency pairs, and it is almost impossible to remember all the information that I have shared. So for me, traders, I have kept a script like this one. Okay, this is just an example. I will show you how I use the script to remember all the things that I have shared. Okay, so what I do is this. Let us just take NZDJPY. Okay, so this is what guides me to remember the things that I should use or how I should trade. So NZDJPY, I trade that one at 7.55, okay, around this time. If it's not around this time, I'm not even looking at it. I just go to other pairs. So let's say maybe the time is 7:50. I've opened my computer. I will only check for the pairs that are tradable around the time I've written here. So let's say it's 7:50, and then I notice that, oh, NZDJPY is traded around this time. What I do is I check the session. Okay, NZDJPY end of Sydney. So my focus is on the at the end of Sydney. What I do is I come to this sessions indicator. Okay, this indicator is free. I mean, trading view traders is free. Okay, there is the free version. I'm using the free version. Someone complained that they do not have money for this thing. Just register, there's a free version. Okay, now this is the end of Sydney. Okay, and then I check again on the script just to remind myself on the strategy. Breakout of key level around last candle of Sydney. Okay, so I remember that my focus is on the key level that is around the last candle of Sydney. So this is the last candle of Sydney. I look at the key level around that, and the first breakout was on the upper side. Okay, so if the breakout is on the upper side, I buy. I place my buy trade, and if I'm not sure about the stop loss, I go back to my script again. Okay, stop loss level just below the key level for a buy, and then above key level for a sell. For me, it's a buy. I'm going to put it just below the key level. The key level is this one that I've drawn, so I can just put my stop loss there. Okay, like that, and then I focus on the target based on what I've written on the script. Maybe I can just scroll back once more to show you on a different page. Okay, so what you have right here, you highlight the key level around the last candle of Sydney. So around last candle of Sydney, you highlight that region. Okay, and then you wait for the first major breakout. Should be a clear breakout. You can even wait for a full candle, right? So that breakout happened clearly on the upper side. I can say this was the first clear breakout. Okay, that was the first clear breakout, or even that one, it was the first breakout around the last candle of Sydney. Okay, so you place your buy trade, you put your stop loss below this key level. Considering this key level, you would put your stop loss maybe around there. Okay, let's take the last example. Okay, I want to show you that every currency pair comes with a different strategy. Okay, let's take the last example on GBP USD. So for GBP USD, let's say I'm coming to the market and the time is maybe 10:45 or 10:50. So I know that at 10:55 I should be looking for a trade on GBP USD, and my focus on the session is at the end of Tokyo. Okay, this is GBP USD, and we are supposed to focus on Tokyo. Okay, so let us uncheck that session we've been using Sydney. Okay, so now I have to go and check for the strategy. Okay, so Tokyo plus London, higher or lower key level breakout. Tokyo plus London is a region where Tokyo is overlapping with London, which means I have to go and add London on the chart. Okay, so let us just add London. Okay, right there we have London. Let's use this example, and the strategy says Tokyo plus London, higher or lower key level breakout. So let me just show you that it's my script so I understand it. It says higher or lower key level breakout at Tokyo plus London, which means where Tokyo is overlapping with London, you mark the highest point and then you mark the lowest point at Tokyo plus London. That is where Tokyo overlaps with London. And then the breakout was on the upper side. Okay, it was a clear breakout. So what do? You place a buy trade because the breakout was on the upper side. If it was on the lower side, you would place a sell trade. Okay, this is Tokyo plus London breakout. And then I go back to my script, stop loss below upper key level for buy. It was a buy, so I will put it below the upper key level. This is the upper key level, which means my stop loss is going to be below that. Considering this, I can put it right there, and then I place a buy trade right there. Okay, maybe I can just take one last example. Okay, this is another example. It says Tokyo plus London breakout, higher or lower key level breakout. The highest point right here inside of Tokyo and London was that, and the lowest point inside of Tokyo and London was that. So the breakout was on the lower side. Stop loss should be above the lower key level. So traders, I've already shared these strategies in the channel, but what I wanted to show you is that you should keep a script like this one for the different currency pairs. If you want my script, stay in the channel so that once I'm done polishing up the script, I will tell you how to get the script. Okay, otherwise, happy weekend. Thank you for watching this video.